I still had something outstanding. That's the fact that our pacman.conf on ArcoLinux, it matters where your lines are, and they should come before ArcoLinux. That's the deal with ArcoLinux, right? So if we are on ArcoLinux, we'd like them to be here, and if not, then they can be down here, right? For Arch or for Carly or for anything else, anything ArcoLinux based, it's gonna be at the bottom, and you decide whether to move it up, right? But on ArcoLinux, we want it to be there. Okay, so I need to change the code, and I think it might be best to have a look at what I've done already. So it's a video after the facts, and let's compare. Basically, last night I really was quite tired, and I did not see it, right? I did not see it. Maybe this does not help either. Maybe we should just go in here. If the distro is ArcoLinux, I want to see a line adding ArcoLinux repos and ArcoLinux, so I know it's in there. That's the only reason why the print is there, so we know it's inside this if. Then you go open the pacman.conf, read all the lines, if there's a problem, and give us the error. And this thing is new lines. Give me the test repo. It's maybe best I show you this, right? Give me this, then another line, and so on. So basically this bunch is this bunch text. And this is where I got it wrong. I think it was this that was wrong. I'm not gonna test it because I'm gonna check the video, right? But it's getting a position. We have that. So it's a check for the index. What line is it? Sorry. It's check for the position. So what position in the list is this thing? It's a number 68 or something, right? And then lines insert in that position -2. So up a few numbers up, a few lines up. So I tell them to find this thing. So if that's not there, but we trust that people will not mess with their pacman.conf, we trust it to be there, right? If not, it's messed up, right? There is no testing, then there's a problem. But normally everything is like this, and we put it at the top. So this line is like, let's say 84, and so it's gonna do -2 and insert actually this bit with a space included. Okay, so that's what it's saying here, and I do think this was right, not right lines, which gave us this kind of error. And then you Google an error, right? You say, okay, type error, right argument must be string, not 1. And then I said, oh my God, right? Maybe that's the thing. And well, you get ideas. You get ideas. When you Google things, you say, okay, maybe it's this, maybe it's that, right? Right argument must be not list, so string. Anyway, this is now different, right? This is what we do if we're on ArcoLinux, and this is what we do if we're not on ArcoLinux. So anything else, it goes at the bottom. It's an append at the bottom, and otherwise it's put it in between somewhere, right? That's the main thing. And now we then can do our compare and do the rest of the workflow. So this is that. Okay, so here we just set append, and here we're making a decision. If you're on ArcoLinux, the distribution is ArcoLinux, then don't, right? And otherwise indeed append. So that's it. That's the block I wanted to do. In the last video, you'll see the what if that I had. And now it's again all the pushes. So no need to follow all this if you've seen it a couple of times. But I need to push number 14, I see. So when on ArcoLinux, that's the thing that we've done, right? When on ArcoLinux, pop. Okay, That's when you do two projects at the same time, right? Number 18. So the thing is, when on ArcoLinux, different approach. Oh, forgot the T there. Okay. When on ArcoLinux, different approach. So that's online. There we go again. To Firefox, to GitHub, close, other tabs. And then the app dev is first. Number 24. That's that. Then we build it. ArcoLinux package build. Nope. ArcoLinux package build. Yes. And down here we have number 12. I think it was 23, right? 24. Yes. That's been built. Now we put it on the repo. And then not quite important, I would say, update it, test it. Next screen, update your system. Number 23, ArcoLinux App. So it knows we're on ArcoLinux, and that's important because we made it if you're on ArcoLinux, right? Remove. It's now removed, he says. Shall we have a look? Right, it's gone. Testing here, it's gone. Control T, sudo pacman. I broke my system, right? Sudo pacman minus remove ArcoLinux keyring. It's not there. Mirroring, not there, right? They're gone. And then we say no, install them. And if on ArcoLinux, that's the line here. Oh, watch it. Let's see. So I said, whoa, because it's not working. This thing, should I update? Oh, there he is, number 24. Luckily I had the reflex. So launching it again. So if we remove, I saw it in the line here, right? So in here that something was off in the text. So if we do a remove, we see nothing. It's gone. And if we're on ArcoLinux, it should become in here, in between. So let's be sure and restart. Install. adding ArcoLinux repos on ArcoLinux. So if I see that line, it's going to go to this. So I know it's in here. It's going to do this. So this should be working, right? There he is. There they all are. And if I remove it again, he's gonna remove it. And we should go here. It's gone. It's up here. Let's clean up a little bit. Save. Like this. The bottom few lines. Save. Done. And then we can run it again. Install. So that my system is actually working. Might be a good idea. And then we got everything back. In between. And that's good enough for me, right? So, tested, worked, it's fine. We can figure out something else to do. Line number 5, what do you think might be interesting? Put it beneath the video, because at this point in time, I have no more ideas, except, that's true, create your own personal ArcoLinux ISO. Drop down, create. That's something that's still in my mind. But for the rest, nope. So suggestions are welcome. Put it beneath this video, I'll see it.